Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I wanted to talk to you about what to do when an executor or personal representative, they're both the same thing, is behaving badly. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, so this was actually a question that I got over on TikTok. If you are watching this somewhere not on TikTok, which you're not because this video doesn't go on TikTok, then I would encourage you to go and check me out. I think I'm estate plan attorney is my username on TikTok. I answer a bunch of questions there, like in short form, just boom, 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 boom. Go check those out, okay? If you're not over there already, that'd be cool. If you want to get more of stuff like this, but just more specific questions. One of the questions I've been getting over there a lot is what to do if a personal representative or executor is not behaving correctly. You know, if they are, I don't know, non-communicative, if you think they are handling assets badly, whatever those things might be, what should you do? So the first thing that I would say when it comes to this is, one, you will catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. So instead of calling the person up and accusing them of doing a bunch of things and you know, whining and crying and whatever you're gonna do, getting angry, getting grumpy, I would encourage you to first reach out to them and be respectful and just you know, let them know like, hey, I'm just not sure what this process is like. I'm just curious about what's going on. Can you give me some information? You might be surprised what you can get by just sort of being nice and just asking nicely. So that is always going to be step one, is to reach out and just ask for what you're looking for, but in a way that is non-accusatory, just more from a curiosity standpoint. And that would be step one for me. If you are already past that point, there are several different things that you can do. Step two would probably be to just maybe, I would start putting things in writing. You can do this via email, would be to formally request the information that you're looking for, okay? Whatever that means, whether it's a status update, whatever it is, I would formally request that on your own to begin with. The next thing that you can do if you really want to is I would go to the statutes of your state and I would read the things that executors and personal representatives are required to do. For example, they are often required to give you an inventory within a certain amount of time if you request it in writing. They are often required to do other things if you request them according to the rules. Probate is very rule-driven process. Everything that everybody has to do is written down for the most part inside of the probate procedural rules, which is just in the law of the state. So if you have the time and you want to go and glance through those rules, you will often find a lot of things that you can do, okay? If those things don't work, the next thing that I probably would do is reach out to an attorney and tell them what's going on and try to get them to write a letter either to the executor's attorney or to the executor themselves if they don't have an attorney. I can tell you from experience, I'm a lawyer, right? That attorney to attorney, there's going to be a lot more communication than if you were just reaching out to people on your own. It's just sort of a professional sort of a thing. I know how to speak in a way that an attorney is going to respond to. I sort of get automatic street cred for being an attorney. I would hire somebody to do that. You know, it maybe cost you a couple $100 to begin with, and then you can see what happens from there. Maybe you're satisfied, maybe you're not. From that point on, then it becomes more litigious, it becomes more expensive, and you get more involved in the court process. But there are things that you can do. People have tried to remove personal representatives that we are representing before. People have done other things like that. And there are different avenues, but if you're going to get there, you're just going to want to hire somebody to help you. I would not hire an attorney, by the way, that does bankruptcy and divorce and estate planning and probate and personal injury and criminal defense. Find someone that just does probate and estate planning law. Find somebody that does, you know, a fair amount of probate litigation, which we don't do, for example. Ask them, do you do probate litigation? And then let them do their thing, okay? They'll be able to get you the results that you want way faster and way easier probably than you would on your own. All right, so that's it. If you have an executor that's behaving badly, or you want some information and you're not getting it for them, those are the things that I would do in the order that I would do them. All right. Hopefully you like this. If you did, maybe hit the like button. If you have questions or comments, leave them. I will answer them. Get over to TikTok. Estate Plan Attorney is my name. I do a bunch of little shorties like this. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. As usual, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.